What's going on, guys? Second Monsters back here on the channel. Today we're going to be discussing Xbox party controls and how to get to them. So first of all, this is an Xbox controller, obviously. You hit right here. The screen will come up. You see this piece right here. Go over to it. You're going to hit start party. Or if you had an invitation to a party, you just go in here and it just say someone invited you, you'd go to the party you want to go to. Now, what you're going to want to do, first off, is I don't have my headset plugged in. I'll tell you what things you can do. Alright. If you hit A on a person's profile, you can choose to mute them. You can view their profile. You could join their party if this is with anything. You could invite, send message, add friend, mute, report or block, or see full home profile. Alright. Party overlay, and you turn it on. In this corner right, around there, this corner will show the area, or well, whoever's talking. This is the party overlay. It's supposed to be blurred like that, and then you can choose where you want it to be. So you have there. This is middle right, bottom right, middle bottom, no, left bottom, and then left middle. Now, if you don't want that, you can just do that. Now, to invite somebody, you can either go to someone's profile, then hit invite the X button on their profile, because you can see right here. Alright, anyways. Now, you can invite more by going down here and hitting A. Then, all you gotta do, you hit on the profile, then you hit invite selected people. Or you can enter their game name tag. If you do choose from club, you can also select invite to game from here. Party controls. Let's say someone is being really annoying and you don't want them in your party, and they keep joining. If you go to party controls, you can make the party invite only. You go down again, you can mute the party, or you can switch to game chat, which you can do against when you're with PC players. You switch to game chat, and then you can have your friends and well, you can talk with the PC player and your friends on Xbox. Then you can show text chat. It's doing new message. You can leave the party if you want. Now we're gonna go down here, looking for group. This is, let's say, oh, I'm really bored. Oops. Let's say, oh, I'm bored and I'm looking online. You could search a creative host. Now you can just go through your games, like you get Fortnite. Oh, there's this. Then you can just go to anything you want. Like this. I'll just go to well. Then you go in. Get a second load, then you can say I'm interested. And let's say I invite you. You go to invitations. Then join. Then there's tournaments, which they're not with a lot of games. You can create a tournament also, which I've actually never done one of these before, but yeah, so that is the party controls. And that will wrap up today's video on party controls, and tomorrow we will be discussing doing stuff with friends.